Okay guys, so hey, welcome back to another episode of
Other hobbies.
Yeah, so today we're gonna be doing French toast, and I have this toaster right here, but like it's old and that's not how French toast is made. So I don't really need it. So anyways, let's just get right into it. No, and I got it with the eggs there. Okay, so we're gonna be using this recipe from allrecipes.com. I'll definitely link it below. And so yeah, Shante, it says beat the egg, milk, and spices.
Yes.
And vanilla. So let's go. Oh no.
This is the thing I hate about when
Alrighty, next up is 2/3 cup of milk. Okay, so now it's time for the cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon. Oh man, that's a lot. Again, so just well, what do you think?
I think it's alright.
You think so?
Yeah.
Or just put in the rest? Pop. Alright. Time for the nutmeg. Alright, so now we have to just grate the nutmeg. Is this it?
Congratulations, you played yourself.
I don't even know if it matters.
Oh wow.
Does he
I
peel
think
it
you're
off?
supposed to like crack your egg.
Oh! Wait, you're supposed to crack it?
I think so.
I am disgusted.
Oh! Jeez, I'm with Shante. How that look a while ago? I'm probably look so stupid. Jeez, I'm with. Well, this is what it looks like, the nutmeg, and now we're gonna put it in. Woo! Okay, so now we just need to add in the bread. I think it's mixed together well enough. We just need to start soaking the bread in there, and then we're gonna take it over to the frying pan. So this is unsliced bread, unsliced white bread, so we can get some thick slices out of it. Just sprinkle in some sugar. Put a little sugar in there. Alright, so now it's time to just dip the bread in there. Yeah, soak it. Put it on the other side now. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, now take it out. Don't make it get too soft. Okay,
Oh,
come
I
with it
think
now.
it got
Come,
too
put it in there.
soft.
Put it in the plate. Let's go. Quick. Transfer it over here. Put it in there. Put it in there. Ooh.
Smells good. Wow.
There we go. Alright, I think I'll take it out now. Probably not done, but. Alright, come in for. Alright, so this is the first slice. Now we're gonna just time lapse the rest of them. So I usually would just do a montage, but Mommy is not used to go somewhere. So it's hot, it's hot. Take up one.
No, I'll take a piece of this.
Okay, so just a piece. Mommy, you want a piece?
Yes. I think.
It does drip.
Wow.
Hot.
Wow.
It tastes good?
Mm-hmm. It does taste like pancake.
Alright. So. Now I'm gonna try it.
Kind of tastes like porridge.
Yeah, it tastes like porridge. Mommy is the bad one right now. Alright. This is probably how it's supposed to taste, but I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
I'm going to give it a 3 out of 10.
A 3 out of 10?
Right.
Oh, you know what I mean?
It looks good, but it doesn't taste as good as it smells.
Should have made a few slices then. Alright, that's it. Down
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa! Go
Nah,
wash
I'm
your
okay.
eye.
Wait, I'm okay.
Go wash
This
your
is
eye.
stupid. What the heck happened?
Go wash your eye.
Someone know the but I have to wash my
What if the spark went in your eye?
He's like, are we supposed to are we supposed to
I mean, put
close
the
our
water in
eyes?
your eye.
So I mean,
Let me light the thing and you got chopped. Sit down, man. Let me light the something because you did like say.